We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, as well as how to say more hard-to-guess words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this? In British English, this is normally said as silver star, silver star. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as silver star. Silver star in American English versus silver star in British English. Did you get it? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.